Welcome to the Classroom Seating Arrangement website. This is the home page, where you can start by logging in or registering if you're a new user. Let's get started by logging into the system. This is the login page. Here, you can enter your registered email and password to access the system. You can also use the Remember Me checkbox to save your email, so it stays filled in automatically every time you visit the login page. If you forget your password, click Forgot Password. Enter your email. And submit. The system sends a reset link to your email. If you haven't registered yet, you can click on the I Need a New Account button below. This is the registration page. To create a new account, you need to provide your name, email, and password. Once registered, you can log into the system. For now, I will go back and log in with my existing account. After logging in, this is the sidebar we get, which allows you to navigate to different sections, including Home Page, My Classes, Questionnaire, Analytics, Seating Arrangement, and the option to change to dark or light mode. Let's explore each feature, step by step. Click on My Classes. This is the My Classes page. Here, you can view all your classes. Each class displays its name. To add a new class, you have to select grade name and subclass. Then click on the Add Class button. The new class will now appear in the list. To add and manage students in the class, you have to click on View Students button next to the class name. This is where you can manage students for a specific class. You can add new students, update their details, or remove them. Let's add a student, for example. Fill in the student's details like name, age, and language. Ensure the age is between 5 and 18, and then click Add Student. The new student will now appear in the list. After we finish adding or editing the students, we can move to the next page by clicking on Questionnaire button. Here, you can fetch students by selecting a specific class and review their details. Each student has an action button based on their questionnaire status. Do questionnaire for students who don't have a submitted questionnaire or show results for those who have. You can also use the search bar to quickly find a specific student by their name. By the way, you have to answer all students' questionnaires before moving to generate seating. So let's answer the questionnaire about the student. Here's the questionnaire page. Teachers can fill out a detailed form for each student. If you try to save without filling in the required fields, the system will give you a warning to ensure all necessary information is provided. So let's fill the questionnaire. Academic performance. Does the student require assistance? Student's behavior. If you want the student to avoid other students in seating, then you have to fill their names or just leave it empty. If he have special needs. And additional notes, it's optional. For example, prefers seating in first 2 rows. Then click Submit Questionnaire to save the responses. And you will be moved back to the Show Students page. As you can see now, you can review questionnaire results for each student. You can click on Edit button and change responses, then click Done to update the changed fields. So after all questionnaire have been filled, you can see your class's analytics. On the Analytics page, you can start by selecting the specific class you want to analyze using the drop-down menu at the top. It might take a few seconds to load the data, so kindly be patient. Once the data loads, you'll see several key insights about the selected class displayed at the top, including academic performance average, behavioral issue students, positive behavior students, students requiring assistance, and total students. And you can view class analytics through charts and get the chart data while hovering the mouse on specific fields. Finally, to generate the optimal seating arrangement for your class, click on the Seating Arrangement button. First, you have to select the class you want to generate a seating for. Then you can view the latest generated version before creating a new one. To create a new seating arrangement, mark attendance for the students first. Then click the Generate button. This may take a few seconds, so please be patient. Once the arrangement is ready, you can provide feedback below. Indicate whether you're satisfied with the results. If not, you can provide specific feedback on the changes you'd like and click the Regenerate button to get a new arrangement tailored to your input. Once you're done, you can log out of the system securely by clicking the Log Out button. Thank you for using the Classroom Seating Arrangement website.